All right, friends, coming at you with another Pilates video. We're starting to wrap up this series. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So guys, today we're going to be laying on our side. So coming on to your side, we're going to be laying it on down. Now we're going to be taking this top leg, and what we're going to do is we're just going to lift it up. Now I don't want you to feel any tension in your head or your neck, so maybe bringing that head down, maybe bringing this arm out for a little bit of support. This shouldn't hurt your shoulder in any way. You can always move it. We can always put a pillow or a rolled up towel right here, okay? I don't want you to feel your neck. So think about stacking your hips, your nice long body here. Make this a little bit easier if you're feeling like your balance is a little wobbly by bending this back leg. Watch out for your cat. We're gonna take this leg on up, reset, bringing it on down. Hi, sweetie. We're gonna bring this leg on up and bring it down with control. Bonus points if you can also pet your cat while you do it. So stacking that hip, bringing it on down. We're lifting it up, bringing it down with control. Hi, sweetie. This next one, we're gonna bend this bottom leg. Everyone's gonna bend this bottom leg. We're gonna flex this top foot. You're gonna kick it forward. Now, can you keep your hips right where you are? It might help to put your hand in front of you on the mat. Swinging this leg forward as far as you have control, and then swinging it back. Oops, sorry, kitty. Bumped her in the face. Now this next one, we're gonna zip out those legs. We're gonna point those toes. Now we're gonna lift those legs up, bringing them down with control. This one is a little crazy, but again, trying to lift those thighs off the mat, almost like we're zipping those legs up and we're squeezing them up towards the ceiling. So really squeeze, squeeze. Awesome. This final one, guys, we're going to reach that arm up overhead, finding a little bit of balance, maybe bending that bottom leg. We're going to squeeze elbow to your knee like you're trying to get them to kiss. It's okay if they don't touch. Reach real long. So we're trying to squeeze. Now, if this hurts your neck, just leave your head down. But if you'd like a little bit more, maybe you're using that core to push that rib cage down as you squeeze that elbow to the knee and reset, bringing it all down. So really big squeeze. Exhale. Inhale, reach. Exhale, squeezing it all in, and then reach, and reach. Gorgeous. We're gonna do that other side. So flipping it on up, let's find our other side. So guys, same thing on this side. Maybe reversing that head down. We're not finding any tension in our neck. Hand in front of us, stacking those hips. Maybe bending that bottom leg. We're gonna reach this top leg up. Again, keeping those hips pointed forward. Almost like you've got headlights right here. We're not trying to open that headlight out and point up. We're trying to keep that headlight pointed forward rather than turning up. So we're getting that work in that hip abduction. Oh yeah. Gorgeous. All right, we're gonna bend that bottom leg, this top leg, we're gonna flex it. You're gonna kick it forward, reset, bring it back. So kick it forward, reset. Swing and back. Swing and back. Trying to keep your hips level. This is a challenging one. You should start to feel that core activate. This is a great one to strengthen your knee. Ooh, okay, the worst one. We're going to straighten those legs. We're going to zip them up together, and we're going to lift them both up. Gorgeous. Now this final one, reaching that arm up overhead, we're going to squeeze elbow to your knee, reach long. Squeeze it in, elbow to knee, reach long. And reach. Exhale. Inhale, reach. Again, on this one, you can do that peel up if you did it on the other side, or just leave that head down if you're just feeling your neck, no worries. Ooh. And that is a workout you can do anywhere to strengthen your hips, to build that endurance, to get better at Pilates. See you guys next time.